Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I am going to analyze XAU USD gold chart for the next week. Okay, I am in 4-hour chart. Now you can see that I already drawn a trend line. So price break has broken this trend line last week. You can see this. I moved to the line chart for the clear picture. Okay, now I am in 4-hour chart. That's I can see a famous pattern in here that we called Kosimoto pattern. Price create higher high and lower low. That's I can see here Kosimoto pattern. I am in 4-hour chart. Thus I am drawing a level that's we call this maximum pain level, MPL level. Price is in maximum pain level now. Okay, let's see the what happened in next week. Last week price create higher rally based rally. You can see that's the uptrend structure price create in last week and also broke the trend line. Okay, let's see what happened in next week. I am guess two scenario in price in next week. That's zone sell zone. I am marking the price respect to this sell zone and create high in last week. Okay, I am guessing two scenarios for the next week price predictions. My first scenario is price respect to this level, maximum pain level, and create higher high. If price create higher high, my target is 1740 or about. That's first scenario. So second one, price broke this trend line to the below side, downside, and retest to this trend line, and that's we can get the price move to the down. That's my second scenario. The first scenario is price create higher high and respect to this level. That's my first target. And second scenario is the price break this level and respect to this trend line retest again. So you can see what happened in next week. This is this level, maximum pain level, is the important level in for these two scenarios. That's the two scenarios price will happen in next week. If you trade this, use proper lot size and take risk management properly and see what will happen in price to this maximum pain level. Okay, now I am moved to the 1-hour chart and I can share with you additional predictions. Okay, now I am in 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart, you can see again a pattern I can see here. That's also in Kosimoto pattern. That's the price create higher high and lower low. Let's see, let's draw this pattern. Okay, that's in I'm in 1-hour chart. Okay, price in 1-hour chart creates. I am move to the line chart also and draw this higher high, price create, and lower low. That's the I'm in 1-hour chart. That's also Kosimoto pattern price also created in here, and that's QM level, QM buy level, price respect to the QM buy level also. In 1-hour chart we can see this pattern. Okay, price broke this level, QM buy level, and moved to the downside. My first prediction is it. My second prediction is price respect to this QML buy level, price respect to this QML buy level, and my target is 1740. Okay, that's two scenarios you can see and trade properly.